Hello everyone and welcome to this week's weekly update. Today I'd like to ask you to take a moment to review the Engineering Week in Review, the Engineering Staff Meeting, and the Development Staff Meeting. And today I will talk about the Create, Say, Do dashboards, catch-up compensation, the retrospective format change, the 4-week manager challenge, DIB training, security training, and the security MR process. This is the latest Say Do board for the Create stage. This is for 13.2. For the most part, I think these numbers are accurate. So it looks like we're ranging from 0.4 to maybe 0.9. So let's see how we do in 13.3. This is at a glance across GitLab. So you can see Create is right here. A little bit above 70%. So let's see how we do next month. I think there's room for improvement there. Catch-up compensation. Thanks everyone for getting your catch-up compensation group submissions submitted into Bamboo HR. The next step is for our managers to approve, and this should be done by July 24th. Just remember, your original submission may not actually stick. So if you're talking to your team members about this, make sure they know that that's the preliminary initial comp group. The retrospective format might change, maybe not. So take the opportunity to take a look at the proposed changes in this issue and comment if you feel that you want to keep it the same or you want to adopt some of the new ideas that they have. The first item here is 1 to 2 days before the retro meeting, the meeting coordinator and the verbalized participants pre-record a presentation. Now, keep in mind that we usually work on the retrospective items, early, but you'd have to probably work on it a little bit earlier, and it's going to be a little more formal, and you'd have to get your, you'd have to participate in this recording session. So it might actually take a little bit longer than what it's been taking for you if you're verbalizing something. Team members add questions to the agenda before the full respective meeting takes place. And during the actual meeting, the meeting coordinator works through the agenda of questions which should be directed at specific individuals. So take a look at this issue and please comment. There's a 4-week manager challenge. If you click on the link, you can learn more about it, and you can continue to read what's on the slide. If you're interested, please sign up. Diversity and inclusion and belonging training. So I've started taking the training, learned a lot of interesting things about myself and areas that we can all work on. I'll probably be discussing some of this in the Create team meetings and really just sharing what I've learned and what I think we can do here at GitLab based off of that training. There are 5.5 hours of LinkedIn learning training, plus there's a little bit of GitLab handbook reading that would be required to close this issue. So I would say do your best to get this done. Ideally, we would like everyone to finish this. However, we understand that there are some exceptional cases, but we still have a few more weeks, and you might want to pace yourself so you don't sit through like 5.5 hours straight, because it's really a lot of good information and you want to think about it and then maybe think about what you could do differently in the area of DIB. There is security awareness training that is due by July 27th. Only 20% of the assignees have actually completed. Please talk to your team members and make sure everyone is aware that this is very important. If they can't find it, go through your Gmail and look for a sender that has this as their address. Please make sure that your team works on this and that you also participate as well. The security merge request process is changing. Surprise! I don't mind that it changes. It's kind of iterative, and I'm hoping each change gets better and makes things better for everyone. So starting with the 13.2 release, the changes occurred. There's a link here to view the approval guidelines. That's all I have for this week, so I will see you all tomorrow.